tatangkilikin mo ba ang mga paputok na may pangalang Goodbye Philippines o Goodbye Universe?
He is no fan of firecrackers, but President Aquino sets off his own explosives to welcome the new year. Government bans the firecracker Goodbye Gloria, but the president seems to love the noisemaker's name. 2012 begins with a bang. The impeachment trial of Chief Justice Renato Corona, whom Aquino calls Arroyo's lapdog. A conviction at the Senate is on top of the administration's New Year wish list.
More resolution sa idea na para faster sa reforms sa judiciary. A lot of our problems had to deal with various courts this past year.
But the Arroyo's lawyer, Ferdinand Topacio, tells his fellow Batangueño to keep his fighting form in 2012.
The decent elements of society, those who understand what the judiciary is all about, we are all behind you, and that the Senate, well, they had better be fair in treating your trial. Otherwise, as we would say in Batangas, ay maghahalo ang balat sa tinalupan.
It's not just Corona's conviction that Aquino's after, but also that of his supposed patron. The electoral sabotage and graft cases of Arroyo will be tried in 2012. In January, a Supreme Court decision is expected on the legality of the DOJ COMELEC panel that sued Arroyo. The Arroyos brace for even more charges.
We are looking at this from the point of view of the long haul, actually. Not just the electoral sabotage case, but the other cases being thrown our way. They're going to throw everything at us, including the toilet bowl, I'm sure.
The new year isn't just about trumpets and trials. It will also be the year of political ads. Senate aspirants will begin campaigning, with the president first to reveal his lineup for 2013. The Liberal Party is expected to prepare for the renewed senatorial bids of Risa Ontiveros, Rufy Biazon, Danny Lim, and Antonio Trillanes. Vice President Jejomar Binay will finalize his own ticket for PDP Laban, along with other political parties. The 2013 polls will set the tone for the 2016 presidential election, an impeachment trial, legal battles, and a looming election. All the fireworks in politics will surely put this New Year promise to the test.
Hindi po ba't mas mabuting salubungin ang taon ng Goodbye Kapahamakan at Hello Pagbabago?
Carmela Fonbuena, Rappler.